Welcome back everyone to another episode of Adventure, Monsters and Programming. Today we're going to tackle 3 more levels and I hope that you stay for all of them because there is so much more to learn. So grab your swords and shields because the adventure starts right now. We have Kithgard Library. So seek help from a friendly library. You should leave before ogre apprentices show up. Say the password, move to the X. Most levels have hints that help you when you're stuck. Click next to scroll through all the hints for a level. For this level, click next to find the password for the library door. Okay, so I need to find out somehow the password.
Use hints button.
Yeah, so on this one there is no password in the comments, so I think the password is in the hints. Okay, the explanation that have already been given, and now let's see the next one. Okay, there we go. This password for the library door is hush. And remember that the password is hush. And then I need to move another space over here. So it's going to be here, the move right. I believe that is going to be enough. That worked. So you see, I know that this adventure looks fairly simple, but you have to see how this can translate to a professional setting. You have to be able to follow the basics, and this game actually helps you learn the basics in a very interactive and fun way. Oh, so we had one. Oh, the librarian and the enchanted stick. Okay, so now that we just unlocked the librarian, let's actually use that character. Let's try. So this is the next level, the prisoner. So free the prisoner and you will gain an ally. So we unlock this one. Ooh, low damage. Considerably less health. But the weapons are wands and staff long range, so it can actually attack without getting closer.
Right into my trap.
It says the difficulty is hard, I believe because of the low damage and low health. Oh, so this one we can unlock the armor, so it's a different kind of hero. Oh, but we do have some other things that we can unlock. Ooh, grants drain life, which drains 8 DPS from a target up to 15 meters away. DPS, I believe, is the health points. Different enchantments. Interesting. Okay, so I do see a really big ogre right here, but I do have the ability to attack from a distance. I wonder how far I can be from the target to be able to actually attack them. I'm going to test that out. So the goals are free the prisoner, defeat the guard, and grab the gem. Sounds good? Okay, so right now we don't really know what the password is. So I'm just going to assume that we may be able to attack it. So now let's see what I'm going to do. Is hero, move right. I'm still just going to see if I can actually attack the quick door. Oh, I can actually do that. So that was actually a good guess. There is a chance that I may have been able to ask the guy for the password. Maybe not, but we're still going to see if we can do this and defeat this enemy. maybe this guy is going to help us attack the enemy as well. I'm going to attack. So hero. And remember, this one we're going to attack but with the casting. Drain life target. And now the target is 2. Exactly. We may have to attack more than once, just like we've been doing before. So I'm going to do it, let's see, twice. And then I'm going to do a normal attack, because that looks like a really big enemy. After that, we're going to do hero the move down 3 times, so we go all the way down, and then hero the move right, so we move. So now let's see how that looks. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, so I do see it. The drained life was good, but it wasn't good enough. So now let me see. Attack 2 times, then drain life twice, and then attack again. This is all about strategy, and there is no one way of winning things. Make sure to plan, and sometimes you may have to just go with the flow. So now let's see how things go. So I did. Oh wait, that actually worked. Let's actually look that again. So I did make the mistake that I wasn't really in a good position for these two to work, but for some reason. Okay, so I do understand what happened. These 2 attacks didn't work, but I believe these ones may have worked a little bit. But the real MVP on this one was my ally, because I advanced to a certain point and the ogre got centered on me. He didn't attack him, and he did most of the damage, and that worked. Looks like we're going to be unlocking some things. Save typing and your hero with loops. So finally we are going to fakely be using loops. Okay, so on this one we are allowed to equip this to use the loops.
Move right.
Dodge the fireballs. And on the 4th statement, so again we are being limited how many things we can use. Okay, so code normally executes in order it is greeted. Loop repeats a block of code multiple times. Use tab or 4 spaces to indent the move lines under the loop. So for those of you who don't remember, to make sure that put block of code under loop or under if statement, we need to indent it, and all the things inside of it need to align. So this is going to be moving right, and then says add move left command to the loop here. So the thing is, we have while true. In normal cases, this is just going to keep going infinitely until we do something to stop it. I think it doesn't really matter in this case, we just need to survive. This is going to go left and right and so on. So now let's see if this works. Remember, this is going to go right, left, infinitely.
Move right. Move left.
This is working.
Move right. Move left.
So I think as long as we survive a lot of time,
Move left.
we are good.
Move right.
Dodge the fireballs forever on their 4th statement. So again, if we let this run, the character will basically dodge the fireballs forever, no problem. And we survive. So we are good. In today's episode, we came, we conquered, and we learned. I am so excited to go through these levels with you guys. because this is a learning journey and we're going to do this together for every single one of the hundreds of levels. That is a promise. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and good night.